and you will find infinity, infinity. And time goes by so naturally while you receive infinity. Take your time to trust in me, and you will find